No one can see the Great Oz.
But we're with Dorothy.
The witches, Dorothy? She's already inside with the wizard. Don't worry now. I know it sounds bad, but I assure you, the Great Oz is wise and benevolent and kind. Of course, sometimes he does get a little ticked off.
What happened inside, Miss Dorothy? Are you going home? Will Scarecrow get his brain? Will I get to be big?
Oh, Tuffy, the wizard says he won't do anything for any of us.
Not unless Dorothy brings him the Wicked Witch's broomstick.
But to do that, she'd have to kill the witch.
Oh, this is terrible, terrible.
That's right, Tom. You give that wizard a piece of your mind.
Ooh, Tom's a lot braver than I thought.
Okay, let's go get that witch. Witch's Castle, 1 mile. I turn